welcome back. So we have plenty of packages today because I've ordered from Amazon and AliExpress. So I've collected about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have about 10 packages in. And I also have some mini sew items that I've recently purchased that I thought it would be good to show. So let's get started. So let's start with the biggest package first so we can get rid of that. So I'm not sure where my gold crane scissors went, so I'm gonna be using my regular scissors. Oh, this is the air dust, the dust collector. And some cotton pads. Let's see. So I've got a nail remover kit. So inside it has these finger clip-ons. One for each hand, 2 sets. It has a cuticle cutter and various buffers, files. So these are pretty standard files and buffers. And these are supposed to be the non-stick wipes. So this is the opening for it. Here are the individual sheets, supposed to be non-sticky. We'll have that. So this is a professional nail dust collector. Comes in all these colors. I think I ordered the silver one. This is what it looks like. It's pretty big, and here is the filter. I guess you can order replacement filters on Amazon. I don't know how many times you can use it before it needs to change. It doesn't say on the box either. But here is the plug for it. Here is what you do when you do nails. Now, I did get this organizer recently from a store named Miniso, and I was gonna organize some stuff in here. It was a pretty good deal. I think I got it for $5.95. I think it's actually slightly cheaper than the IKEA one I got, but this is what it looks like. So the lid just slips off like that. It's supposed to be meant. Now here for several small packages. 3 small packages. 3 small packages. So remember the last video where I cut off some of the samples? Cut off some of the stickers? That's not gonna happen again. So I'll carefully cut this one open. Also, here is a Aurora paper, 1 jar. Small again. Oh, more chains. I think I've ordered these twice because I forgot the last time I've ordered it. So now we have 3 of these. 1,000 pieces of fruit. Now we have some medium packs. So this one is from Amazon. So summer is coming and I wanted to prepare my foot for a pedicure. So I thought I would try this foot peel off mask and then I'm gonna do my own pedicure. Very excited to try this Babe Skin Lavender Foot Peel Mask. I think I will be doing this later. Medium bag here. Inside it has a lot of... Wow, inside it has a lot of baby packs. Look at how many packs came out of this bag. We had 6 bags come out of here. Wow, this is cute. This is an extension for the toenails. I wonder if this works. This doesn't look exactly like a toenail thing. Take a look. I'm not sure if these will actually fit my toenail. Maybe if one of these is a poly gel pack, I could try and use this for a poly gel extension, but I'm not really sure if I need my toenails to be that long. They'll probably be too long for socks. Okay, so this is actually not a nail related, it's some earrings I ordered from AliExpress. Stamping kit. Oh, this is cute. Some interesting stickers they sent me. I didn't order this. I think it's free. I think this is marijuana leaf in silver. So I got this stamping. I'm excited to try. It is Gucci. Oh, this whole plate is Gucci. Oh, this is like all fabric. Okay, it looks way more luxurious on the photo. That was supposed to be my photo taking mat. Can you tell me how this looks? Oh, I did break a nail the other day because I was cleaning. Oh look, these are charms. These heart crystals. It's supposed to be candies. Okay, these... I don't know, they said it was for nails, but apparently not. Look at how big they are. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these. Here we have one polish. Number 44. It was an orange color. Oh, maybe I bought it just to match with this. And then there's a flower fairy gel. In it. There's very tiny flower petals in it. Very tiny flower petals. And I got a brush set. Oh, and this is a... Well, I guess my poly gel set is not here yet, but this is a UV light. Oh, it has to use the battery. Okay, so it uses 3 AAA batteries. I'm gonna have to find those. I don't know if I have those at home. And then what do we have here at last? Oh, nail swatch sticks. Oh, we have one more thing. So I got this Marvel manicure set because I thought it was cute. And I got Captain Marvel. Comes in a pretty cute case. It's good for traveling. And you can buckle it up like this. Pretty cute. Manicure set. And let's see if there's more. Also from AliExpress. There's 3 polishes here. And they're from Venalisa. Blossom Gel. Transfer Foil Gel. And base. This is the base Blossom Gel. It's another stamping plate. Why? I ordered the exact same one? This is weird. I don't remember ordering the same exact one. Oh, and then this is, I like this. You can make your own charms. I like the silicone mold. I've made a bunch of bears with my bear mold, but this can make a lot of charms, but some of these might be way too big. It feels like a jello. Just found one more package, so there's still one more to go to open. This could be the poly gel. More polishes. Wow, this is a lot of polishes. Koskoe. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, but it says. Let's take a look. It smells kind of like paint, but this feels pretty similar to this brand. Bottle is almost identical. This is GD Cocoa and this is Koskoe. Let's see if the smell is. Yep, it smells almost the same. quite similar. They're probably the same brand, but they just put a different brand sticker here. Both are, yeah, 8 milliliters. This is 8 milliliters and this is 8 milliliters. I guess I don't have to buy any colors for a long time now. I have every single color possible, probably. So that was it. So we'll add this to the recap. 18 different color polishes, foot pedicure extensions, nail tips, manicure kit, molds, brushes, chains, plates, air gel polish, foot mask, charms, an organizer, an LED lamp, Aurora paper, some crystals, candy jams, pack of fruits, and a nail dust collector. If you like unboxing videos of nail haul, please like and subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other videos where I unboxed more nail stuff. So thank you for your support.